Introduction to Accounting. How to record a journal entry. Let's see how to record transaction number 3. Owner purchase goods costing rupees 50,000. Goods means merchandise. Let's see the analysis of this transaction. Whenever we purchase goods, it is recorded with the word of purchases. Therefore, the accounts involved are purchases because goods are purchased and cash because cash is paid against the goods. Let's see the nature of account for these two account titles. Purchases by nature is expense. Cash by nature is asset. Expense is increasing. According to rules of debit and credit, increase in expense debit the account. Cash is paid to purchase the goods. Cash is asset. Because cash is paid, therefore cash is decreasing. Decrease in asset credit the account. Therefore cash will be recorded in the credit side. In the date column, we'll write June 10. In proper journal, we will record the journal entry, that is purchases debit 50,000, cash credit 50,000. Narration is purchase merchandise for cash, or you can say purchase goods for cash. Like, share, subscribe.